Yeah, I know I'm being stupid, but welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're one of my subscribers, if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, this is the steering wheel off my car. You can check out my Instagram. I'm gonna have an install video here to come, but I installed a carbon fiber steering wheel, so I no longer need this one. I'll just keep it to the side if I ever down the road, God forbid, something happened to my car and I have to part it out. I'm just relaxing on a Saturday. Got my TunerCult. So what's weird is this is supposed to be, I believe, for February, because, well, February is now over with, and I just got it now in March. So yeah, 3-month subscription and it's late, so I don't know what's up with that. But hey, it is what it is. So there, if you like, it's their typical boxing, which is cool. It's kind of weird though, is like in Speed We Trust, but then it's like Christmassy. Like, I don't get that. Like, I don't know if that's just their standard wrapping or they're just trying to use all the tape from Christmas up. But I don't know. I always get the mystery. I got the mystery crate subscription for 3 months. So let's see what this has in it. It looks like a bunch of shirts, which I love. Plain, simple. Let's move up here so you can see these. So nice, plain, simple shirts. Love those with the piston. The next one is going to be Fortezza, Ferrari. So these aren't themed, I guess. I thought they might be themed. I saw they had like a 350. I don't know if it had the 370Z in it, but it was like 350, 370, I think 350 themed. Love that. But I didn't get that box apparently. I just got a random tuner crate, TunerCult. So 4 shirts and TunerCult and three stickers. And what else? That's pretty much it. So I got the 3-month. Do I think that 4 shirts and this 3 stickers is worth it? I don't know, you tell me. You think it's worth it? I kind of like the value of Tuner Crate better so far. I like both styles of shirts. I was really hoping I was getting the mystery, like the themed monthly box, but apparently not, even though I signed up for the 3-month of like their 3-month mystery box. I don't know, you tell me. Is it worth the value? I'm starting to think it's not, but hey, it's your decision. Check out the video description. I don't know if I have a discount code for them or not, but thank you for watching.